Whoa! Hey, welcome back to the Rufus Makes channel. If you saw my last video, I painted shoes for my friend's birthday. Had a great time surprising him with them. It's always fun painting shoes for other people because it makes me feel professional, I guess. So I get to feel professional again today. My friend hit me up.
Yo, I got this pair of Adidas shoes. You want to paint them?
I was like, yeah, sure, sounds great. Only problem, Bennett, they're a little beat up. Nothing I can't fix. I'm gonna have to work a little magic on them. Here they are. They're not terrible, but you know, they've seen better days. Let's try to reverse the clock a little bit. Let's get to cleaning these bad boys up. Before we can start painting, obviously I gotta prepare the shoes. They're a little dirty, so I'm gonna use this pink liquid, which is a shoe cleaner. I think it's literally called Pink Stuff. So if you want a good shoe cleaner, I would recommend this. Haven't used any others, so I don't know how they are. And then as a final prepare, I'm gonna go over it with acetone just to make sure the actual leather is prepared and not just like getting the dirt off. You need to get the dirt off and you need to prepare the leather. Here are the paint selections I'm going with. We're going with earthy tones. Here's all the equipment I'm using today. Starting off with this avocado green, which is a new color I picked up. I think it's a great color. I'm gonna mix it with some white to lighten it up a little bit. And then I'm just going over it on this section, covering this all with the avocado color. I'm doing 2 to 3 coats to make sure it's even without any mistakes or blemishes. It's going on this front portion, and then it's also going on the back portion, which you'll see in a second. And then I'm taking some black, mixing that with the avocado to bring out even darker avocado color. Dark forest green, it looks more like. And that's going on the toe box, that's going on the sides in between the Adidas stripes, as you can see here. And then it's going on that back portion as well, just above the light avocado color. And excuse my voice, I played a couple of basketball games today and I don't know why, but it kind of cooked me. So I'm not feeling great, but I had to record this video, had to get it out to y'all. So actually, you're welcome. As I said, I'm going in between the stripes here with this dark green, making sure it looks great. This is for a client, so I take a lot of pride in what I'm doing here. Putting it on the lace eyelets, I guess you could say. And this, honestly, this took a couple tries because it's a plastic, and there are things you can mix paint with. It's called Too Hard. That sounds crazy. I think that's literally what it's called, though. You can mix that with that for a plastic on a shoe, because you'll see that on a lot of basketball shoes. They'll use plastic. I know for most common sneakers, it's going to be leather, it's going to be suede, but every once in a while you'll get a strange plastic option. And then right here, I'm just cleaning the shoe up, making sure it looks nice with some white paint. Very typical, something I like to do just to clean the shoe up, especially if the shoe's a little more beat up, because cleaning it with a cleaner doesn't always get it looking great. Obviously, I'm using the classic Liquid Kicks Factory Finish. I rave about this all the time. Use it on every single shoe, basically, and then I'm applying it to every part of the shoe since I've painted on every part of the shoe, including where I whited the shoe out, on the bottom, the sole, and just every portion that's green, every portion that's beige, because I got the beige stripes, which I think are really clean. I'm getting everything, like I said. And I do 2 coats. I think it seals it in place. I think you're supposed to do 2 coats. It's recommended. You could do 3 if you're worried about it. I usually just do 2. Honestly, I think this is one of the cleaner shoes I've done. I think the colors complement each other very well. And sometimes it's just good to go simple. And I think that really shows in this shoe. I think it's just overall very clean. I'm using the same box as last video, sue me. Here they are. I think they look really clean. They look professional in the box. Let's surprise them with them. I got some shoes for Bennett. Let's see how he reacts.
Let's see, dude. Let's check him out.
His reaction better be good.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wait, pause the reaction.
Good shoe, man. Good shoe.
Make custom baby Gronk
So I had like a whole elaborate design planned for this shoe, and I got to the point of selecting the colors and I just liked them so much. So I just went with kind of a raw palette on this project, and I think it ended up turning out really good. Sometimes that's the thing, you don't gotta go all out. You don't gotta get the crazy design in there. Sometimes simple is better. Sometimes simple just works, and it worked today. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. That's all I got for today. If you got something out of this video, consider subscribing. If you didn't, no sweat, just don't subscribe. There you go. Thanks for watching as always. I'll be back next week with another video. Appreciate y'all. Have a good one. Bye.